Oh, good morning, Rabbi.
Oh, good morning, Avi, and the respectable rabbis from Israel. Welcome to Miami Beach. Welcome to Miami Beach. So, but I'm going to tell you beautiful about Torah.
This guy only works with yichus. If that holy rabbi didn't walk by, we wouldn't work here. But let's get back to this.
Then, the Chanukas Torah, the Rabbi Reb Heschel. Most rabbis just get one title, the Rabbi, Simon Rebbe. The Rabbi Reb Heschel, very, very special title that he gets.
Go
And it says as follows. Beautiful. This is amazing. We have in this week's parsha the laws of the Eved Ivri. I'll get straight to the point. After the 6 years, you pierce the ear. Right?
Okay.
Okay? No, I got nothing here.
It wouldn't look good on you.
Okay. So I'm not an Eved Ivri. So Rashi brings the famous Gemara. Why do you pierce the ear? Or Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai, the ear that heard on Mount Sinai, don't steal, he went ahead and he stole, which is why he's a slave, Avi.
Right, I'm listening.
He goes ahead, I wasn't sure, he goes ahead and he gets that ear pierced. So the reason why the ear pierced, welcome to Miami Beach, is because the ear should have heard, don't steal, which is why he's an Eved.
Right.
The Medrash makes no sense, Avi. I'll tell you why. In the Ten Commandments, when it says lo signov, it's not talking about monetary stealing. It's talking about kidnapping.
Ah.
So what is the Medrash talking about? Rashi brings this Medrash. Oh, what does kidnapping have to do with? He didn't kidnap. He was evident he stole. So he's working to make up for what he stole. What does kidnapping have to do with anything? You hear the kasha?
Yeah.
Says the Rabbi Heschel, beautiful. This is beautiful. The Medrash tells us two pshatim on the pasuk by Daber Elokim as called the Me'ela, meaning as an introduction to the Ten Commandments. It says that Hashem said all these things. What does that mean? So the first pshat is that Hashem spoke all 10 commandments at the same time, which was something that not everybody was able to hear. Nobody's able to hear 10 things at the same time. Nobody's able to speak 10 things at the same time. But God was able to speak the 10 commandments all at the same time. As kol advarim me'ela, all these things, meaning all at the same time. Second pshat? No. Not only did he give the 10 commandments, but as kol advarim me'ela, all these things, meaning included in the 10 commandments, was all the subcategories. For example, when it says don't steal, it also don't kill. It also means don't embarrass somebody in public, which is akin to killing him. Okay, so that was the second shot. That in the Ten Commandments, all the platei dinim, all the details, and all the subcategories were also mentioned in the law. When he said Shabbos, it mentioned muktzah too, and all that. So now we have the answer to the question that we asked. Rashi brings in that he should have known better when he heard don't steal. That's not what it says in the Ten Commandments. It's talking about kidnapping. So I'm going to give you the answer right now based on this Medrash. Beautiful. The Ozen that heard on Mount Sinai don't steal. This ear that heard don't steal. It can't be like the first pshat that it was that he heard all the 10 Commandments. It can't be that. Because he heard it. You hear the pshat? Ozen shashamata, the ear that heard on Mount Sinai all 10 Commandments. What do you mean? We just said from the Medrash that Hashem said all 10 commandments at the same time, and we said to Moshe, we can't hear it. It's not possible for a person to hear all 10 commandments at the same time. So what does Rashi mean when he says, oh, the ear that heard all 10 commandments? I thought you can't hear 10 commandments. So it must be that he didn't hear all 10 commandments at the same time. So what's the pshat in kol advarim me'ela? Oh, it must be that he heard all the details. Not just that Hashem gave us the Torah, he also gave us all the details.
Right.
That's from Shad. That's Rabbi Heschel. Since it says the ear that heard lo signov, it must be that not like the first pshat that Hashem said all 10 commandments at the same time. No, how are we going to learn as called the Me'ela? He said the 10 commandments. We said to Moshe, we don't understand it. We can't hear all the 10 commandments at the same time, and therefore Hashem divided it. But what's the pshat in kol advarim me'ela? It means that he gave over the mitzvah and all the categories. So now you know pshat and Rashi. The ear that heard on Mount Sinai, lo signov. So obviously it means lo signov, kidnapping, and also monetary.
Right.
And that's why we go ahead and we pierce the ear, because he obviously heard the second shot that it doesn't only mean kidnapping, it also means monetary stealing.
That's great. That's really good.
Thank you. It's a little long.